Learn English through stories.
Hikayelerle İngilizce öğrenin.
The Lost Cat.
Kayıp Kedi.
Part 1, Tom and His Morning Routine. Tom is a young man. Tom is a young man. He lives in a small and beautiful house. He lives in a small and beautiful house. He works from home. He works from home. Every morning, Tom wakes up at 7 o'clock. Every morning, Tom wakes up at 7 o'clock. He makes a hot cup of coffee. He makes a hot cup of coffee. He goes to the window and looks outside. He goes to the window and looks outside. The weather is usually sunny and warm. The weather is usually sunny and warm. Tom loves animals. Tom loves animals. He has a small cat. He has a small cat. The cat's name is Leo. The cat's name is Leo. Leo is a beautiful orange cat. Leo is a beautiful orange cat. He has green eyes and a long tail. He has green eyes and a long tail. Leo is very friendly and energetic. Leo is very friendly and energetic. He likes to sleep on the sofa. He likes to sleep on the sofa. Every morning, Leo walks to Tom. Every morning, Leo walks to Tom. He says, meow, and asks for food. He says, meow, and asks for food. Tom gives him some food and fresh water. Tom gives him some food and fresh water. Then, they sit together. Then, they sit together. This is their happy morning routine. This is their happy morning routine. Part 2, The Open Door. One Tuesday morning, the weather is different. One Tuesday morning, the weather is different. It is cloudy and cold. It is cloudy and cold. Tom wakes up late. Tom wakes up late. He looks at the clock. He looks at the clock. It is 8 o'clock. It is 8 o'clock. Oh no, I am late for work. Tom says. Oh no, I am late for work. Tom says. Tom runs to the kitchen. Tom runs to the kitchen. He quickly makes his coffee. He quickly makes his coffee. He opens the front door to take the newspaper. He opens the front door to take the newspaper. But the phone rings in the living room. But the phone rings in the living room. Tom runs to answer the phone. Tom runs to answer the phone. He forgets one important thing. He forgets one important thing. The front door is open. The front door is open. Leo is a curious cat. Leo is a curious cat. He sees the open door. He sees the open door. He walks slowly to the door. He walks slowly to the door. He looks outside. He looks outside. He sees a beautiful yellow butterfly. He sees a beautiful yellow butterfly. The butterfly flies away. The butterfly flies away. Leo follows the butterfly. Leo follows the butterfly. He walks out of the house and into the garden. He walks out of the house and into the garden. Part 3, Where is Leo? Tom finishes his phone call. Tom finishes his phone call. He sits at his desk and starts to work. He sits at his desk and starts to work. 2 hours pass. 2 hours pass. Tom wants to drink some water. Tom wants to drink some water. He goes to the kitchen. He goes to the kitchen. He looks for Leo. He looks for Leo. Leo, where are you? Tom calls. Leo, where are you? Tom calls. Leo does not answer. Leo does not answer. Tom looks under the sofa. Tom looks under the sofa. Leo is not there. Leo is not there. Tom looks in the bedroom. Tom looks in the bedroom. Leo is not there. Leo is not there. Then, Tom sees the front door. Then, Tom sees the front door. The door is open. The door is open. Tom feels very sad and worried. Tom feels very sad and worried. Oh no, Leo is outside, he thinks. Oh no, Leo is outside, he thinks. Tom takes his jacket and goes out. Tom takes his jacket and goes out. He walks on the street. He walks on the street. He asks his neighbors. He asks his neighbors. Excuse me, do you see an orange cat? Tom asks. Excuse me, do you see an orange cat? Tom asks. The neighbors say, no, sorry. The neighbors say, no, sorry. Part 4, The Park and the Tree. Tom walks to the big park near his house. Tom walks to the big park near his house. Children are playing soccer. Children are playing soccer. People are walking their dogs. People are walking their dogs. Tom looks everywhere. Tom looks everywhere. He looks under the benches and behind the bushes. He looks under the benches and behind the bushes. He is very tired and wants to cry. He is very tired and wants to cry. Suddenly, Tom hears a small sound. Suddenly, Tom hears a small sound. Meow. Meow. Tom stops. Tom stops. He listens carefully. He listens carefully. Meow. The sound comes from a big green tree. Meow. The sound comes from a big green tree. Tom looks up at the tree. Tom looks up at the tree. He sees something orange. He sees something orange. It is Leo. It is Leo. Leo is high in the tree. Leo is high in the tree. He cannot climb down. He cannot climb down. He is very scared. He is very scared. Don't worry, Leo. I am here, Tom says gently. Don't worry, Leo. I am here, Tom says gently. Part 5, Safe at Home. The tree is very tall. The tree is very tall. Tom cannot reach the cat. Tom cannot reach the cat. He sees a tall man near the park. He sees a tall man near the park. The man has a long ladder. The man has a long ladder. Tom runs to the man. Tom runs to the man. Please, help me. My cat is up in the tree, Tom says. Please, help me. My cat is up in the tree, Tom says. The friendly man smiles. The friendly man smiles. Of course, let's go, he says. Of course, let's go, he says. They walk to the tree. They walk to the tree. The man puts the ladder against the tree. The man puts the ladder against the tree. Tom climbs up the ladder carefully. Tom climbs up the ladder carefully. He reaches out his hands. He reaches out his hands. He takes Leo into his arms. He takes Leo into his arms. Leo purrs happily. Leo purrs happily. Tom climbs down. Tom climbs down. Thank you so much. Tom says to the man. Thank you so much. Tom says to the man. You are welcome, the man replies. You are welcome, the man replies. Tom and Leo walk back home. Tom and Leo walk back home. Tom closes the front door tightly. Tom closes the front door tightly. He gives Leo a big bowl of food. He gives Leo a big bowl of food. Leo eats his food and then sleeps on Tom's lap. Leo eats his food and then sleeps on Tom's lap. Tom is very happy. Tom is very happy. His best friend is safe at home. His best friend is safe at home.